30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 12. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'll show you the 12th way to make $100 per day online. You know that this channel is all about making money online and working from home, so this whole YouTube video series is about getting you off the ground. So for this method, all you will need is a pair of these, okay? So we will be actually making money listening to music. Now I know it is incredible, but I'll show you the top websites that will actually allow you to do so. Now before I do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm, so I do appreciate, especially if you do these 4 things, okay? So this way I can actually record more make money online and work from home videos for you guys. And check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, I have my $1 course, I have my coaching, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online and work from home. Check it all out. And right now let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, one of these websites that will actually allow you to make money online simply listening to music is playlistpush.com. okay, so as you can see, they are connecting artists to playlist curators. Now you will be this curator. Obviously new artists need a lot of new people, new ears to listen to their music and to like it, okay? So this is where they go to these kind of websites, and this is where you can discover them and get paid for it, okay? So let's start scrolling. As you can see, we have the 4 artists section and we have 4 curators section. So you will be this curator. And as you can see, you're going to get awarded, earn money by listening and reviewing songs. So you will actually review all of this new amazing music. Okay, so you go to discover music, discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So just click on become a curator right here. So as you can see, you will have to sign up for it. So obviously you will need a playlist. Okay, so if you have a Spotify playlist or any other playlist, so just fill out this form and you can start making money just listening to the radio, listening to music. Guys, these guys are legit. They have a total reach of 23 million people, and they've been mentioned on Fortune or Medium, so big platforms right here. So guys, that's only the first website. I have 5 more for you. Next up, I have a radioearn.com. okay, so as you can see, you can earn alone or with your website with listening radio. So as you can see, you can click on how it works, and you're gonna sign up, then you're gonna sign in, then you will start listening to the radio or use API, and then earn and pay out. So every 15 minutes you get points. The points will be converted at the following month to USD, so dollars, and then you can pay it out via bank transfer, so a wire transfer, or you can also get an Amazon gift card or Bitcoin. So guys, Bitcoin is only going up in price, so definitely a great thing. They have different styles of radios, etc. So whatever music you are into, you can definitely do it. So that's radioearn.com. Number 3, I have research.fm. okay, so this is a website that finds data about music for radio stations. Okay, so as you can see, they are dealing with radio stations across the country, helping them to program towards user expectations. Okay, so you will be this user, essentially telling them what should be played on the radio. Okay, so they have a number right here that you can call, and also you can contact them via email. So that's research.fm. Next up, I have musicxray.com. so this is an industry leading song and talent filter. So all you have to do right here is just click on I am a music industry professional. You have a little video explaining all of it, and if you have a website, you can actually make money with this. And again, they will need the data from you. Okay, so that's musicxray.com. Next up, I have uniquerewards.com. So one of these rewards website, but they actually have a section where you can make money from listening to radio or watching videos. So they actually used to have it right here. It used to say listen to radio right here, but they do have watching videos. And some of these videos are music videos. Okay, so all you have to do is just watch them, listen to them, and you can make money this way as well. So unique rewards. And the last website I have for you is earnably.com. So these are digital rewards and gift cards made easy. So they have a few different ways you can make money with it. So they have different offers, and one of these ways is actually listen to radio, listen to songs, rate them, and make money. So that's earnably.com. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. Can you make $100 in a day doing this? You probably can. Can you make $100 every single day? Now it will be hard, but if you're gonna put your mind to it and really sign up with all of these websites, and there are probably others that I didn't mention that you definitely can. But with that being said, check out all the rest of the videos in this YouTube series. I'm uploading 30 different ways to make $100 per day online this month, so check out all the rest of the videos. And when it comes to this video, please like it, please subscribe to this channel, please click on the bell, and please leave me a comment. If you want to say hi, if you have a question, whatever it is, please leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Check out all the links in the description as well. And keep on coming back to this channel. Again, this channel is about making money online and working from home, so all the free training videos you need, especially if you are a beginner with this whole thing. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.